Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Battlefield 2042 offline on Xbox. It's important to understand that Battlefield 2042 is fundamentally an always online game. This means that a persistent internet connection is required for all gameplay modes, including those featuring artificial intelligence soldiers. You cannot launch or play the game without being connected to the internet, even if you intend to play by yourself. This design choice ensures a consistent and updated experience for all players. While a true offline mode isn't available, Battlefield 2042 does offer a solo and co-op option. Here, you can face off against artificial intelligence bots across various maps and modes. This is an excellent way to hone your combat skills, experiment with different specialists, and familiarize yourself with the game's expansive environments. However, remember that even these solo bot matches require an active internet connection to function properly and track your progress. The requirement for an internet connection stems from Battlefield 2042's design as a live service game. This model allows developers to deliver frequent updates, patches, and new content, keeping the experience fresh. Furthermore, the game's core focus is on massive online battles, often featuring up to 128 players, which inherently demands a stable network connection for seamless gameplay and matchmaking. So to summarize, if you're hoping for a completely offline experience with Battlefield 2042 on Xbox, it's not currently possible. The game lacks a dedicated single-player campaign and requires an internet connection for all modes, including playing against artificial intelligence. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection to enjoy all aspects of this dynamic, online-focused military shooter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.